There's a specific type of atypicals or non-neurotypicals who have a sort of tapestry. There's a sort of interconnectivity they have with some liminal below the psychological threshold is where you can play music. You could have music, and then you could algorithm itself is not impartial in what it search query, right? So like the word bark, which refers to is a noun as the tree bark and as the dog. They have a sort of linear interpretation of parapsychological experiences. One like psychokinesis and as a result of perseverance and diligence. It's little to do with time. Patient tends to oscillate on a day-to-day basis. There's this high rise and fall, this sort of emotional fluctuation at a sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Self-explanatory. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception, trajectory that occurs. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Persuasion.